हेलो एवरीवन, आई हार्डली वेलकम यू ऑल टू द सक्सेस स्क्वायर चैनल। हम लोग ने 1 से लेकर 150 तक प्रीलिम्स वेस्ट बंगाल जुडिशियल सर्विस एग्जामिनेशन 2020 का पेपर सॉल्व कर लिया। आज हम लोग 151 से लेकर 200 तक करेंगे। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट। एलिबाई इज गवर्न्ड बाय सेक्शन 11 of the Indian Evidence Act. Ratification of an act can be either express or implied. The maxim res ipsa liquidator is a rule of evidence. Sex with a girl through fraudulent consent amounts to a rape. Relevancy of facts forming part of same transaction is dealt under which of the following sections of the Indian Evidence Act? The answer will be section 6. Which section of the Limitation Act 1963 provides for the limitation period in cases of suits against trustees and their representatives? The answer will be section 10. The appropriate unit issued by a court to quash the appointment of a person to a public office is that of quo warranto. Under Section 83 of the Indian Evidence Act, presumption as to accuracy of maps and plans can be raised in respect of maps and plans made by the authority of the government. Abatement under Section 107 of the IPC can be constituted by instigation, conspiracy, intentional aid. That is all of the above. The words socialist and secular were inserted in the preamble by the Constitution 42nd Amendment Act 1976. The maxim ignorantia juris non excusat means ignorance of law is no excuse. Section 24 of the CPC applies to both suits and execution proceedings. Bank guarantee is independent contract between bank and beneficiary. Ex parte proceedings against a defendant implies the court may proceed with the case in the absence of the defendant. Section 7 of the Limitation Act 1963, which of the following persons can give a discharge? Both A and B, that is Karta of a Hindu joint family as well as partner of a firm. Question number 166. A female Hindu may take in adoption of a male child of 6 years old under the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act when she attains the age of 27 years. Which is the period of limitation under the Limitation Act 1963 for leave to appear and defend a suit under the summary procedure? The answer will be 10 days. Right to life under Article 21 includes the right to enjoyment of a pollution-free water is expressed in Dr. B.L. Vadra versus Union of India. For conspiracy, the minimum number of persons required is, what will be the answer of this question? It would be 2. Section 3 to Section 11 of the Limitation Act 1963 deals with the limitation of suits, appeals and application. 171. Prohibition against discrimination under Article 15, Clause 1 of the Constitution of India is for citizens. The Constitution of India, as framed by the Constituent Assembly, was finally adopted on 26 November 1949. Novation of a contract means substitution of a new contract in place of original contract. Which section of the Limitation Act 1963 provides for the computation of period of limitation in case of death of a person on or before the accrual of the right to sue? The answer will be section 16. Fumes constitute, the answer will be private nuisance. Question number 176. Preamble of the Constitution is framed with the great care and deliberation so that it reflects the high purpose and noble objectives of the Constitution makers is expressed in Pradeep Jain versus Union of India. Under which article of the Constitution of India, the elections to the House of People and to the legislative assemblies of states are made on the basis of adult suffrage? The answer will be Article 326. Goods may be pledged by the owner of the goods. Interpleader suit is a suit. The answer will be instituted by a person who has no interest in the subject matter. Complaint to the police or statement made to the police that fall within the exception to section 499 IPC can claim qualified privilege. The expression harm is used in section 81 of the Indian Penal Code in the sense of injury or damage. Doctrine of res judicata is based on the maxim interest republica ut sit finis litem. इसका मतलब हुआ it is in the interest of the state that an litigation should come to an end. Question number 183. Secondary evidence of a document means both A and B, that is copies of that document and oral account of the contents of the document. Question number 184. Which of the following sections of the Indian Evidence Act 1872 gives provisions regarding proof as to electronic signature? The answer will be section 67A. Means profit has been defined in the CPC under which section? The answer will be section 2, subsection 12. Question number 186. Under order 14, rule 1 of the CPC, in a suit, issues are framed in respect of all of the above, that is question of fact, question of law, and mixed question of fact and law. Section 91 of the CRPC, Section 91 of the CRPC does not apply to the accused. The right guaranteed under Article 25 of the Constitution of India is subject to public order, morality, health, and other fundamental rights. Relevancy is, the answer will be question of law and can be raised at any time. Question number 190. Which of the following is a bulwark of personal freedom? The answer will be habeas corpus. Section 191. According to Section 65 of the Indian Evidence Act, the secondary evidence can be admitted in dash exceptional cases. The answer will be 7. Respect for the national flag and national anthem is a fundamental duty of every citizen. Question number 193. Fraudulently has been defined as doing anything with intent to defraud under which section of the IPC? The answer will be section 25. Right of lien of an agent is extinguished by his parting with the possession of the goods. Which of the following sections of the Indian Evidence Act deals with fraud or collusion in obtaining judgment or incompetency of court which may be proved? The answer will be section 44. Question number 196. Which of the following maxims represents the law of limitations? The answer will be both A and B. Question number 197. Ambedkar described this article of the Constitution of India as a heart and soul of the Constitution. The answer will be Article 32. Question number 198. A document required by law to be attested can be proved under Section 68 of the Indian Evidence Act only. The answer will be by calling at least one of the attesting witness. Tort is derived from the Latin word tortum. The answer will be, it is a French word. And the last question, the directive principles of the state policy are fundamental for the governance of the state. That's it. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन पेपर्स बनाती रहूँ और सॉल्व करती रहूँ, और अगर आपको कुछ भी एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए रिलेटिंग टू दिस particular video or you are having any doubt, please let me know. Thank you.